Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to add a signature in an email in Gmail. Signatures in emails are very important in the business environment. They tell the person that is receiving the email who you are and other means to contact you if they can't reach you by phone. Gmail makes it quick to add a signature to your emails in Gmail settings. Let's look at how to add a signature to an email in Gmail. Open Google Chrome and select the Gmail quick link in the upper right corner, or select the waffle and then select Gmail. In the upper right corner to the left of your profile picture, select the settings icon that looks like a cog. In the Quick Settings dialog box, select See All Settings. On the General tab, scroll down to the Signatures section. You can either delete any old signatures or create a new one. To create a new signature, click Create New. Name the signature by selecting the Signature Name text box and typing the name in. Then select Create. In the text box to the right of the signature names, you can insert an image by selecting the Insert Image icon in the formatting toolbar. Select Google Drive and then make sure My Drive is selected. Browse to where your picture is located. Select the picture and then select Insert at the bottom. Note the image must be shared to anyone that has the link in Google Drive. To resize the image, select it, and then select Small, Medium, or Large. Then type in the signature you want on your email. Then you can format the signature. Below where you created your signature in the Signature Defaults, select the signature you want to use in both drop-downs. You can also insert the signature before quoted text instead of the very end of the email thread by checking or unchecking the checkbox next to Insert Signature before quoted text. Scroll down to the bottom and then select Save Changes. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.